like us, there's more to them than meets the eye.
Well, hello there, welcome back to Toys Unboxed. To celebrate the release of the new Transformers 1 movie, which tells the origin story of Optimus Prime and Megatron, we are showcasing the Bumblebee LEGO set. This set comes with the yellow Beetle version of the Bumblebee, his iron blaster, and a display showing his power specs. I think the Beetle transformation captures the details quite well, from the headlights, to the bumpers, side mirrors, and the number plate, which shows Bumblebee 84, and the spare tyre. The wheels also spin, allowing you to roll the figure around. However, they could have improved the rims of the wheels. Transforming Bumblebee was quite fun and is more complicated than the Optimus Prime LEGO set. The only downside is the LEGO pieces can easily break during transformation, so make sure you slow down. I like the design of the hand where the gun clicks into a pole and you can wrap the fingers around the gun. The windscreen folds into these cool wings that attaches at the back, and you can move Bee's head around, and there are movements in the arms and hands for posing. The legs of Bumblebee could be improved. It does feel like Bee skipped his leg days. And what would make it better is to increase the thickness and allow bending in the knees for those crouching poses. Overall, it was a really fun build with added bonus of transforming Bee. And finally, look out for fun facts about Bumblebee and Transformers throughout this video, so make sure you watch till the end. Hope you enjoy! Bumblebee stands at 16 feet, which is nearly 5 meters tall. Bumblebee was part of the last generation of Transformers to be created by the Allspark before it was lost. Bumblebee prefers hand-to-hand combat, even though he has his main weapon, the plasma cannon, and missile launchers. According to comics, Transformers were born from Cybertron itself, which is a living entity called Primus. And finally, the original name for Optimus Prime was Orion Pax, and look out for him in the Transformers 1 movie, which tells the origin story of Optimus Prime and Megatron.